Once the matter was exposed, Lin Sen was immediately called to the office, and both sets of parents were summoned to the school. After discussion, the school, considering Lin Sen's young age, decided to give him another chance, offering leniency if he compensated the victim for their losses. Dozens of cell phones were undoubtedly a huge sum for Lin Sen, not to mention that her grandparents had never valued their granddaughter. The outcome was predictable. A young girl with a bright future left school and embarked on an unpredictable path. The only saving grace was that after all that, Lin Sen finally overcame